How to see stories you have muted on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see all the stories you have muted on your Facebook Messenger. So easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on story. Like you see, after who can see your story you have, and also hide story from, you have stories you have muted. Click on it, and here they're gonna show you all the stories you have ever muted on this app. And I can see I don't have any stories I have muted, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and also like.